How to find friends you deleted on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your name at the top. After you click on your name, click on three dots beside Edit Profile. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Activity Log. In Activity Log, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and expand Connection by clicking on Connections. Below Connections, you will find Friends. Expand Friends. After you expand Friends, click on Removed Friends, which is the second option. After you click on it, you will find all the friends you deleted on Facebook in here. This is how to find friends you deleted on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.